Hey guys, welcome to Amelia and Riley's channel. If you're new to this channel, please watch my videos. Please comment down below, subscribe to our channel, give us a big thumbs up. So now we're gonna be teaching you how to make fluffy slime. So the first ingredient, you need glue. Like any amount of glue, like 2 glues, 3 glues, I don't care. Well, you need 1 glue. You just need 1 glue. And then you need glitter. You don't have to add the glitter. You need to have shaving cream. You need to have a measuring cup. You need to have a bowl and a mixer. And this Stay Flow, like liquid starch thing, I don't know. So it's a liquid starch. Then and then you need a bowl. So first you put in your glue, your whole bottle glue. And then when you're done with that, you put in the glitter and then you mix. You don't need to have glitter. If you don't have glitter, you don't mix. And then you add the shaving cream. You put the shaving cream in for 4 seconds. You put it in 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's all done. And then you mix it, and then you put Stay Flow in, like liquid starch. This is how much, 1/4, and then you put it in there, and then you mix it up really good. And then if it's not fluffy enough, you add more shaving cream, and then you mix it. It's supposed to get harder and get into the shape. And then when it gets into the shape, you put it in your hands, and then it turns into slime. I made this slime with the recipe. It's cool. Okay, make sure you comment down below, subscribe to our channel, Amelia and Riley. It gives a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and bye!